Hi, today in front of me Honor 70 Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the control panel and find screen recorder icon. First hold it for a while before starting a screen recording, and if you wanna turn on or turn off your microphone, you should touch here to this microphone icon by this way. Okay, got it? When the microphone is in a blue color, this means that the microphone is activated. If you want to turn it off, just click on this microphone, it's switched to the correct one. So this means that the sounds muted or unmuted successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.